here, and we need something here like this too. How many are there? 4. So let's try something here. We want to create a variant for it. Yeah, we'll create a variant. Then we just changing the colors. So you see, you have two things, the outer one and the inner one. So let's duplicate it. Control C, Control V. So one will be like this, and one will go back, and this one will take the red, and this will take the outer fill, the stroke, which is also red, and no inner fill. Yeah, so we have it this way. Perfect. Okay. So until you have been activated, you're not gonna get, or you're not supposed to have. After you grouping them like this, you create the 5 samples before you create the variant, before you convert them to component. So we have the 5 here like this. Okay. So even though we have them like this, not all will be checked like this. This one will be checked, but the one below it will be of no outer circle. So we'll have this, and then down one wouldn't have an outer circle. So let's go do it now. But before that, let's change the colors. This one goes for this, and this as well. This one too goes for this, and this one as well. This one too goes for this, and this one too as well. And this very one will be having this green, like the green something, and this too will be affected by it. So now you group or you convert this into the variant, into the component. Sorry, convert this into component. Then you make the variance out of it. So we come here, then we click on add variance. When you click on it like this, then the variance will pop up like this. So let's add the other ones to make it up to the number. Very good. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In addition to the first one, make 5. But don't forget, over here we only need the red to be activated, but here we need the black to be activated, and here we need the ash to be activated, in that order. So let's try to delete the, when we come to layers, we'll try to delete the outer ellipse so that we'll be left with only the bigger one. Okay. So we'll do that to each active selection, or each active color selection. Then we'll leave the current one, or the one that will tell us that this is the color that we've chosen. I believe you guys are following. So we'll do that to other ones that are not needed at the moment, and those that are needed at the moment we maintain as well. There's somebody else there who also have a different idea or different perception, but I don't know. I feel like this should be the easiest way for you to carry out your taxes. Yes, it should be the easiest way. And if you have some idea, the comment section is for everybody. You can just put your comment out there, and we'll we'll talk about it or we'll respond to it together. Okay. So right now let's create the interaction. So every red found anywhere will be mounted to the first component, and we'll do that in that order to other areas. So every black found elsewhere will be mounted to the second component, and we will do the same to all other variants in the component so far. So don't forget, each component each component you created contain variants, and those variants are what makes or are those items that helps you to create your interactions. Without those variants, your interactions wouldn't be effective. So anywhere you see an interaction, there has been an invasion of a component and a variant, which somebody will also say a primary frame and a secondary frame coming together. And be mindful, each frame comprises of two things. The first item and a cage into which it has been placed in. So I can say everything has a cage. Yes, and that is how UI UX in Figma works, or that's how the interface of Figma works. So right now we can assume and accept the fact that we've created a color selection panel. So let's go to the asset area and we just drag this and we drop it here. Voila. So we can just go and see if what we did is working perfectly or not. So you see that it's moving. So right now, why do we need this? We need this because of the color selection over here. Somebody would prefer not to buy the red hoodie, but rather a different color. That's why we have this.